Hello everybody, this is Francisco Martinez for Java 2 and this is week 4. So we were supposed to make two applications and have one contact the other with a content provider, sending information from one app to the next. So trying to do this was incredibly frustrating, and it seems like even after I watched the video from the go-to training, nothing seems to be working. I don't know why the other app is not receiving my information, but it's incredibly frustrating that it's not receiving it because I pretty much did almost everything right, or at least everything exactly how it would have been when I saw the go-to training, just adding in the detail view and everything like that. But even before I added the detail view, it was just not cooperating. I'll show you the first app first, at least. This is the one that has content provider. This one works fine. So just say even more stuff. I don't have. Once again, I'm not gonna even bother trying to figure out how to put these in because I just don't know. Every time I try and figure it out, it messes up. I'm not doing it. It's just staying like this. So once I press the arrow there, it saves. If I can also press the arrow here, it'll save. If I want to delete something, I could delete it here, and it'll go away. If I want to delete the whole thing, go here, deletes the whole thing. So let's add another one, and like I said, if I press this one, oh, it looks like it doesn't. Okay, let's try that again. So yeah, this arrow does it. So yeah, it shows up here, and then if I click it, once again, you can edit it. Come on. There you go. As for the other app, as you can see, once this thing goes away, I click on it and nothing shows up. The only thing I can do is add a dialogue just to see if something happens. Nothing happens. This is the code for the second app. As you can see, I have it set up fine. This is exactly the same thing that is on my permissions here. As you can see, they're both the same. This is my provider data. It seems like the only thing that doesn't work is that, but either way, something is supposed to show up and it doesn't want to show up. I don't know why. I've tried everything. Every time I would set this up with the content resolver, it would crash, so I would rather just not have it crash. So yeah, this pretty much this app is pretty much not cooperating. No matter what I did, no matter how much effort I put in, it's just not cooperating. I even added a log to see if something shows up. Nothing wants to show up. I'll even change this out real quick. And as you can see, it just wants to mess up, so I can't do nothing to it. I try my best with it. I'm not gonna bother with it right now. I'm incredibly frustrated by it, and that's pretty much it. So I don't know what's gonna happen, and yeah. So you guys have a good night.